Managing your wardrobe can be the biggest hassle, and knowing what you have, seeing what you have, being really clear about what's actually in your closet can be a stressor and a headache for a lot of women. Today I'm going to talk about 6 easy steps that will allow you to take the closet apps, the wardrobing apps, the technology that already exists, and use it to manage your wardrobe. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Netta. Happy Valentine's Week. I am here today to talk to you about how to create the Clueless closet of your dreams. The Clueless closet of your dreams. This is fashion geekery at its finest. I love this kind of stuff. And I've heard from a lot of you. We're currently going through the Closet Confidence Workshop series. If you have not signed up for that, it is not too late to sign up and maybe catch the replays. But we've been talking a lot about wardrobe management and how you know what you have, how you wear more of your wardrobe, and how you make the most of your existing wardrobe. So that's what today is all about. We're going to talk about how to create a clueless closet, something I create for my clients and something that can really help you transform how you look at your wardrobe, can help you buy less and wear more of what you have. So my name is Netta. I am a former fashion editor and fashion columnist, and I'm the founder of the Ageless Style program, where I've helped thousands of women build wardrobes that they love so they're beautiful and they feel confident every single day. That sounds like something you're interested in. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing to this channel. So let's get into it. We're going to talk about how to build a clueless closet. Now, the very first step in building a clueless closet is to photograph your clothes. Now, that may seem overwhelming. Believe it or not, it takes a lot less time than you think. You just need a system. Generally, I like to hang it against a white wall. I feel like that works the best for most things, maybe not the whitest white things, but it works best for most things to hang the items rather than to lay them flat and hang them against the white wall. Often I'll use just like the molding on this wall to hang an item and photograph it that way. Many apps actually have background removal tools that can really just isolate the item so you've got a nice clean shot. Photographing your clothes really doesn't have to take long once you have a system. And you want to start with, if you're overwhelmed or if you're like, I have 9,000 things and she wants me to take pictures of all of them, start with the things that are this current season and the things that you reach for the most. This can be an easy little gentle way to start editing a little, because if you're pulling out things and you're like, I didn't even know this was here. I hate this. I can't believe this is still in my closet. You might want to have a bin handy just for a couple of those items. But you want to start photographing the clothes, especially the clothes that you wear and that you like the most. Edit as you go. Second is to choose your app. I did a whole video on wardrobing apps and closet apps, so I'm not going to get into that much, except to say that there are paid apps like Cladwell, and A Closet is actually paid. And I heard some buzz on Reddit about how people who had their wardrobes in A Closet lost their access to their wardrobes if they didn't upgrade to the paid version. This is why you want to take pictures outside of the app. You want to take pictures outside of the app. You want to own your own pictures. You don't want them to be held hostage in the app and you can't get to all of your outfit pictures and all of the things that you spend time accumulating. So A Closet is a really good one though to use. Wearing, Whering. I think it's a British company. That's a really good app to consider. But there are a lot of them. There's an app that I use with my clients called Hue and Stripe. This app is really specifically designed to be used by a personal stylist with clients. So as a user, you don't have all the functionality because it involves me looking in your wardrobe, editing your wardrobe for you, creating outfits for you, all of that stuff. And then you have access to like uploading items into your closet and uploading outfits into your lookbook, but it's not designed to be a standalone app like some of these other ones are. Stylebook was kind of like the OG of wardrobing apps. I think when I first started using Stylebook, testing it years ago, I found it so annoying and so specific when it came to pictures of your clothes and what they were supposed to look like. So they've come a long way since then. And all of these apps have pros and cons. So I'll definitely link the video that I did on choosing a wardrobing app or a closet app. What can really help you identify what you have a lot of in your wardrobe, help you organize your closet and help you see it all in one place. Because often if your closet is dark or crammed, you can't see what you have and you're not wearing and making the most of your wardrobe. Third is to categorize your items. So you want all your tops to be together. You want all your bottoms to be together. You want all your sweaters to be together, all of your jackets to be together. Again, this is how you're going to start identifying what you've got a lot of and what you might be lacking in your wardrobe, and to start using more of your clothes. What is found often when you start using one of these wardrobing or these closet maintenance apps is that you end up shopping less, because you realize how many times have you bought something and realized that you have something very similar to it at home, right? So using one of these apps can give you a really clear idea of what you have so that you don't overbuy and that you make the most of your wardrobe. Another way that I use this with clients is when we're out shopping, we can look at their closet on the app and remember what they have and buy items that will work with their existing wardrobe. So it's a game changer. Grouping items lets you see what you have. It's very much worth doing. Fourth, upload outfit inspiration as well as your own outfit pictures. So this is a really, really nice way to catalog your favorite outfits. You do not have to recreate the wheel and create a new outfit formula every time you wear an item. You can wear some of your favorite outfits on repeat, and you might want to consider my setting the bar exercise and putting your favorite outfits in one specific category so that you can rewear those outfits. Like that. That's actually a sign that you're winning at wardrobing. It means that you've developed outfits that make you look and feel beautiful, and you like them so much you want to wear them again and again. So you want that visual record of your best outfits, and you also want outfit inspiration culled from the internet, maybe from your favorite shopping websites or from Instagram or from Pinterest. Those could all go in a lookbook section so that you can be intentional about how you can reproduce those outfits with items in your own wardrobe. Okay, excuse my cold. You can tell my voice is not its normal self. Okay, the fifth step is to create your own outfits, clusters, capsules, and lookbooks using the items that you already own, the items that are in your wardrobe. So creating your clusters becomes so easy. I've often been asked, like, if I have a capsule, or if I have a travel capsule, or if I have a seasonal capsule, or I have a work capsule or cluster of any kind, how do I set it apart in my closet? Like, how do I put it in a place in my closet where I'm gonna know that all of these pieces are designed to work together? The easiest way to do that is to use your app to do it. So you can cluster your work cluster together. You can put all of your travel pieces together. You can put your evening out or date night pieces together, your athleisure pieces together, and you can use it to create clusters. You can use it to create capsules. You can use it to create packing lists for trips. It's really magical because it allows you to categorize your clothes on the app easily and effortlessly without messing up the categorization system that already exists in your closet. Okay, sixth tip, and this to me is where like the geekery really happens, the magic really happens, is to plan your outfits. Plan your outfits. You can use the app to plan your outfits for the week or even just the next day, but preferably the week, but even just the next day. You can use the app to plan your outfits. It's so easy and so fun. So because you've got records of, pictures of outfits that you've already liked, you can use and worn, you can use those. You can use the outfit, the closet apps to create outfit combinations that you haven't worn before, and then schedule them out for the week, plan them out for the week. I create something like this, like an outfit calendar or an outfit planner for my clients. I also do this on trips, and I, will label and describe, this is what you're going to wear in the morning, this is what you're going to wear in the evening, this is what you're going to wear on Thursday when you go skiing, this is what you're going to wear Thursday night when you go out to dinner. Like, it just makes your life so much easier. So being able to plan outfits in an app, especially if you're limited on space or you don't want to mess with your closet and take out your actual clothes, if you're lazy like me and you just want to do it on an an app, it works so well. So, you know, my encouragement and my tip, one of my top tips is to plan your outfits. If you want to wear more of your clothes, if you feel like you're overwhelmed by the quantity of clothes that you have, this is a really worthwhile exercise. And then planning your outfits, now that you've got all of your items categorized and you've got your tops and your jackets and your bottoms together, planning outfits becomes a breeze. It becomes a creative activity. It's not as daunting as going through all of your clothes and putting everything on the bed and all that hassle. It makes it easy, it makes it effortless, and it's all right there on your phone. So definitely something I recommend. And an easy way to start, maybe not easy at the very beginning because it does take a little bit of work at the beginning, but becomes a really easy way to manage your wardrobe. Becomes an easy way to see what you have, to wear more of what you have, and to really quickly start. Like the cream rises to the top pretty quickly in the system. You're going to see what you're actually wearing because you're keeping a record of it, because you have your whole closet in one place, and you're going to see what you might be ready to get rid of. You're not going to be able to fool yourself anymore into thinking that you're wearing a lot of X when you're not, or that you don't really wear Y when you really reach for it all the time. Like, you're going to find out whether you really rely very heavily on athleisure, whether you wear 5% of your wardrobe or whether you wear 50% of your wardrobe. All of your dressing and your styling and your outfit patterns are going to jump out at you when you do this exercise. So it's such a worthwhile exercise to do, even if you don't use an app and you decide you want to house all of the things. I don't know why you wouldn't use an app, but you want to house all of your clothing on Google Drive, you can do that as well. But the apps give you added functionality in terms of outfit creation, that I think really makes them worth exploring. Also, a lot of apps for the outfit, the pieces that you've bought recently, or the pieces that are basics and staples. You don't have to photograph your white t-shirts. You can pull them from pictures on the web. You don't have to photograph your white your white button-down shirt, your black silk blouse. You can pull it from an item that's on the web, and you can put a lot of stand-in items for the pictures that you use in the app to save yourself some time and hassle taking pictures of everything you have. Now, the final tip, of course, is to get a stylist's help. Like I said, the Hue and Stripe app that I use is something I use for clients. I do virtual closet edits all the time, as well as virtual shopping trips. So we look in your closet, we edit your closet using Hue and Stripe, the tool that I use. It's also the tool that I use to create catalogs that I share with you guys here on YouTube. But it's a great tool that allows none of these other tools really let a stylist work with your wardrobe. They're designed for you to work with on your own. But Hue and Stripe lets me take a peek in your closet, tell you what to keep, tell you what to maybe consider purging, build outfits for you, build packing lists for trips, and then it has a shopping feature as well that allows me to do some virtual shopping for you, some online shopping for you, and then you can easily click bought it and the item moves into your closet. It's magic. So it has outfits, it has lookbooks, it has shopping, and it has closet cataloging. So it's an all-in-one tool that really is magical and allows me to give you real-time feedback on your outfits and on your wardrobe. And like I said, fill in the gaps that may exist. So this is how we create a clueless closet in 2024. There's a lot of technology coming out that's designed to help us manage our wardrobes with more ease. I actually signed up for alerts for another app that's coming out that said that it's going to help you really create that clueless closet. There's an article about it in Vogue Business at the end of 2023 about what tech companies are doing. Like, we all want that clueless closet that was in a movie almost 30 years ago now, and here we are in 2024. We still don't have completely that push button clueless closet, but it's coming, right? And these tools are really going to be the types of things that are going to help you make the most of your existing wardrobe and use more of what you have, be more intentional about your outfits, definitely be more intentional about new items that you decide to bring in your closet. So I hope this was fun, a little bit of a different video for you, but really how to manage your wardrobe using wardrobing apps. Let me know what you guys are using, if you're using apps, and if this is something that you have tried in your own wardrobe, and how that's worked for you, what your favorite apps are. Definitely share those in the comments below, because everyone's gonna have different experiences with apps, and I can be really, really helpful to the rest of my viewers. So love you guys. Thank you so much much. If you enjoyed this video and you want more strategies and techniques for making the most of your wardrobe, managing your closet, organizing your closet, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe so we can keep hanging out. Love you. I'll see you in the next video.